Today I'll show you how to run ERPNext effortlessly on Frappe Cloud. First, open your browser and go to frappecloud.com. Log in with your credentials to reach the dashboard, which displays all your ERPNext sites. Each site represents a separate ERPNext instance. Next, find the site you want to run and click on it. You will be redirected to your live ERPNext instance where you can manage everything: projects, accounting, HR, and more. The interface is user-friendly, so start with the tools you need most and explore other modules as you go. ERPNext scales with your business, so over time you can integrate additional features or third-party apps as needed. Plus, Frappe Cloud provides excellent support and documentation if you run into any issues. And that's it. Running ERPNext is as simple as logging in and clicking your site. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe for more ERPNext tips.